The census shows is that we've got a ticking time bomb on our hands where a lot of those nurses are coming towards retirement age, and what it also shows is that we need to make sure that that gap is filled. One of the pinch points we're looking at here is that the impact for breast CNSs is quite surprising, because the investment that has been in breast CNSs in the past, it's always been thought that it's been well serviced, and for us is showing that the age of that population is coming up to retirement age, and lots of breast cancer patients may lose support in the future. So the key bit for us is to make sure that the forward planning, succession planning is in place to make sure those people who have a breast cancer diagnosis are supported and supported well. One of the issues that's raised in this cancer census is that we are seeing a vacancy rate, which was above the previous census. So we've got a 4.4% vacancy rate at the time of the census. And like I said, that's an increase on the previous census. So that is a worrying trend that we need to look at widely, more widely with the Welsh Government and others, to make sure that the workforce is in place to meet the demands of future cancer patients, not just cancer patients today. Well, we'd like this data to be used, and mainly we don't want it sat on a shelf. We want the data to be used by our partners in Welsh Government and the NHS to inform their work and inform their plans and action plans going forward, to make sure, like I said earlier, is that the workforce is in place to meet the demands going forward as well. And those plans, we're happy to help them support with those and do some of the scoping work to make sure that we input to find a solution, not just to provide the issue, but also provide a solution for cancer patients in Wales.